Hello everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my D Top 1 channel. I'm going to share a very simple trick today. Help you sharpen your knife at home. Before sharpening the knife, let's prepare a tube of toothpaste. To apply to the surface of the blade, toothpaste will help polish, increase the sharpness of the blade. This helps the knife become smoother and shiny. Use an extra brush to hit the blade evenly. After scattering the toothpaste on the blade, let's prepare an old battery. Cut off the outer shell of that battery. We only use the inside. Start gently scrubbing the blade on the surface of the battery. The battery here has a pretty hard metal surface. Can be used as a temporary grinding surface. Move from the base to the tip of the knife. Then turn to the other side. Keep the force even and light. Continue the same way. Don't use too much force. Repeat this movement several times. Do you think this works? Have you ever tried sharpening a knife with a battery? Please leave your comment at the bottom. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. After the knife grinding process is completed, we need to clean the knife. Especially if you use a knife in the kitchen. Prepare some baking soda and some white vinegar for cooking. Sprinkle baking soda on the blade. Really all. Then, put white vinegar on the blade. This mixture will sparkle slightly. Helps clean metal dust and bacteria. Use a light scrub brush. Rub both sides of the blade. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments. I'll help you. Then rinse with clean water. Now clean the blade. Prepare to see the results. Let's cut some paper and a tomato. If cut easily, you have succeeded. It's amazing, isn't it? A simple but effective trick. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.